right, welcome back, everybody. 2 days in a row. Wow, you guys got the short end of the stick. The weather's nice, so that's good, right? Just a reminder that I haven't looked yet because this just went on Friday stuff on the page 9 stuff. Just we did it in class, but just turned it in. There's nothing to attach. I can't remember. Were you here when we did that? I did. They just take a photo of it and upload it. For those that are gone on the A day, just do that. Everybody here that we saw visually, we're good to go. And then I'll skip to that. It's going to be interesting as far as how to grade some stuff. Today's almost all IXLs except for one little thing. Pretty easy day today. Brooklyn, you look tired.
Yeah.
Have a rough weekend?
No,
Just tired. Okay. Today's going to be a pretty easy, straightforward day. The topic for the day is finding function values. Okay? Nothing too terribly fancy. What it really means is I'm going to pick an x. So maybe we've got a y equals 2x plus 3. And then maybe we also saw it maybe as f of x equals 2x plus 3. Or visually look at things. We also might have done a little chart kind of thing, like that. All these different things, we have in the past have done the 0 thing with the chart, and then picked the y value, got the 0. So we'd have the 0 and the 3, and then negative 3 halves. We're going to do that about 3 different ways today. One of them is with these. You might also see this kind of thing where I put the x and I plug it in there. That's what that means, and then I put the 3 right there. But the first thing we're really going to do today is look at finding function values using graphs. So it's going to be pretty fast for what we need. You're going to end up doing about 2 XLs with the graphs and 1 IXL with the equations and some other stuff, and then a little book thing. Whether we get that far or not, I don't know. So first, I'm going to have to make this a little smaller because that is ginormous. You're going to see graphs. And they're going to ask you one of 2 things, and they're going to use it in the function notation. So this one wants to find f of 9. Okay? Equals a question mark. So that's x. So I go find 9 on the x. There's 9. Right? Then I just go up to the curve, and then over to there, and there's y. It's 2. Just that simple. Okay. Find the x, up to the y, and over. Okay. I just got to put in 2. I'm on my way. Try another one. This one wants f of 2. F of 2. So I'm going to pick 2, go up, and over. That is 9. Now, I'm going to jump a little bit here just to show you a couple different things. But there really isn't too many crazy tricks, except for this one right here. They're going to have a little bit different notation. Nothing major, but just enough. This is going to, and they're going to use different letters instead of F, it's G, a lot of different things. Now this one here is kind of the reverse. I tell you what the y value is. So I give you that y is 2. I want you to find x. So now instead of going, hey, down here's x, now I'm going to go over here. there's y to be 2. I'm going to go over and down. Over to the curve and down, and so x would be 1. Their answer is 1. Boom. This one has 7. F of x equals 7. So I would go over to 7, find up here is 7, and whoa, what do we know? There's actually 2 of them because it says solution. So there's a 1 and there's also a 5. And so my guess is down here they're going to say, oh, they have 2 boxes for us. That's nice. 1, tab 5. And we're on our way. All right, why don't I shush, let you work on that. If you go to your Google Classroom, the link to the IXL is right there. And work on that one for a little bit, and then we will hop into